Good morning, children. So far, you have covered up the capital and the small letters A, B, C, D, and E. And you also have completed some of the activities in the copies as well as in the book. So we have finished from page number 3 to 15 from both the books, capital and the small letters. Today we will do the work in the copy. Only in copy we will do the work. So today is 11/5. Yes, आज की तारीख 11 है, 11/11, and we are going to do the activity. See here, I have written match the pictures with their letters. The first letter, you have to join the pictures with their first letter. सबसे पहले आपको पहचानना है एक कौन सा पिक्चर है और उसके बाद उसका जो पहला अक्षर है उससे उसको मिलान करना है. We have to recognize the picture and then we have to match with their first letter. Pictures are at one side and the other side there are letters, single letters. Read these letters. B, very good. E, A, D, and C. All these are capital letters or the small letters. Well done. They are capital letters. Now we will see the pictures here. Which is this picture? Can anyone recognize? कोई पहचान सकता है? Yes. Candle. Say all together. Candle. Candle starts with the letter C. Now you have to find out the letter C in this side. This side you have to find out. So where is this letter C? See, this is letter C. No, this? No, where it is then? Yes, it is down here it is. So you will take the line from here and you will bring it to letter C. Yes, got it? Letter C. Now you see which is this picture. Very good. B for bat. And where it is bat? Yes. Up. Uppar nahi, up. See, you will join just like this. What is this? Drum. D for drum. Where is D letter? Yes. C के ऊपर है D. What is this bird? Is this a bird? Yes. Which is this? Eagle. Very good. E for eagle. Say E for eagle. Where is E? Yes. B के नीचे है. Now, yes, A for apple. So you will go to apple. A. So like this you will join these pictures with their first letters. You will do this activity in your copy, putting the homework and the date 11/5, and you will do. Then you will turn to the next page. When you turn to the next page, you will have small letters. Which are these letters? Small letters. Small letters, you will write the letter A, letter C and the letter E on the middle two lines. We have 4 lines. So middle 2 lines, on these lines you will write the letter A, the letter C and the letter E. And then the letter B and the letter D you will write on the first 3 lines. Okay, so I have put there, see dots here, in this is on the second line. I have put the B dot is on the first line, again second line, then again first line, then again second line. So you will have like these dots in your copy. Yes, your parents will help you to draw these dots and you will write by yourself. So this is your practice to know for yourself that you have learned the letters A, B, C, D and E, small letters. And similar way you will write on the next page capital letters. Capital letters are very easy for you all because these are, yes, first three lines we have to draw. We have to write on the first three lines. So see, 1, 2, 3, all these. So the letter A is written with a 2 slanting line and 1 slipping line. The letter B is written with a 1 standing line, 2 curves. Yes, one big curve on the first three lines, that is C. Then standing line and opposite curve on the first three lines, and with the help of 3 slipping lines and 1 standing lines we get the letter E. All these letters are written on the first three lines. You will not go out of line. You will not come down with a fourth line. When you come on the fourth line or you go above the line, this will be wrong. So your parents will help you to draw the dots for you, and still if you go out of this, then parents will erase and give for you to write once again. So it is better that you write it carefully. Okay, see you.